Today we are going to make a 7-segment display from 7 LEDs to display numbers from 0 to 9. Let's see the items required. 7 LEDs to make 7-segment display, PCB or cardboard to fix LEDs, a breadboard for connections, some wires for interconnections, a power source, a microcontroller for controlling. Let's start by doing wiring on the breadboard. Now we will insert LEDs into its specified slot. We will use the cardboard template to mount the LEDs properly. We will connect them first from the center, then to outward. We are done with the connections. Now we will check whether all LEDs are properly connected before interfacing them with microcontroller. Now we will check which pin is for which LED. This lights up LED A. This lights up LED B. This lights up LED C. This lights up LED D. This lights up LED E. This lights up LED F. And this lights up LED G. Let's connect the microcontroller to the computer and upload the code. Let's test the code and connection. Yes, it is working. Now we will tweak the code to display numbers. This is the startup sequence. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we can see we have made a 7-segment display with 7 LEDs and it is working fine. That's all for now. See you again with more robotic technologies. Robotics every day.